Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to set up a vision board for my work planner. If you have not seen either my planner lineup video or the various videos that I did where I explain in detail how I'm going to use each of my planners, just to give you a quick background, this year I'm going to use 4 planners and 4 journals. I know it looks like a lot, but I have a specific purpose for each of them. Specifically for my work planner, which is the Neora Accomplished Planner, I have chosen this to be my work planner, and my first vision board that I'm setting up over here is for my work goals. For this, what I'm going to do is obviously I'm going to use a bunch of self-created stickers. Now these are stickers that I got printed out. I have already recorded a video, it will go up in a bit. How did I actually print out all of these stickers? Then I have so many planner stickers. Then we have the Space and Beauty Ultimate Sticker Book. This was the 2021 sticker book. Then of course we have the Tall Elephant Sticker Book. Then we have the Alicia Souza Sticker Book. I know it is a lot, but I'm going to figure out how to use all of these sticker books. Then we have the Antiquarian Sticker Book. And last but not the least, we have the Botanist sticker books. So essentially from the Botanist sticker book and the Antiquarian sticker books, I really want to use a lot of their butterflies, because that says the kind of transformation I'm looking for my work life. So just for the base, I wanted to start with a few of my self-created stickers. So these are a mix of affirmations as well as the kind of vision that I have for myself for this work year. First and the biggest lesson I want to keep on reminding myself this year is to hustle smart and not hustle hard for my work life. Brilliance is the word that I want to really imbibe in whatever I do. This quote really resonated with me. Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. I'm just placing things to see how will things look like eventually. So I'm just placing, these are the kind of swag that I want to have when I'm working. Obviously there will be a girl boss. This denotes power to me. Then there is don't settle for less because it is available. Then I have make improvements, not excuses. Seek respect, not attention. There is another affirmation says I value myself. And then I have a money affirmation that says an abundance of money, it's on its way. This will be my base for the vision board, and then I'll keep on adding a lot of stickers on what I feel. So let's start sticking these. These grids are proving out to be super useful for me to place the stickers on the right place. Now this is the base of my vision board, and now I'm going to put in my favorite things, stickers. Something like this, do all things with purpose. I think this will look nice here. This is from the Archetype Studio planner, which I forgot to mention. Again, 2021 version. This is Be Yourself. This is from the Space and Beauty planner. While you work, you always have to be remembered that you need to party, and my workplace truly is a big party hub, so I've put in Let's Party there. A nice little workspace. So I also want to put a quick reminder on hydrating myself. So a hydrate sticker from the So Many sticker books. This is again from the So Many sticker book. I'm now getting into my Antiquarian sticker book. Let's see if I get butterflies. Okay, I think it's time to whip out the Botanist planner. Oh, actually, I can take in these little flowers. This is the Tall Elephant sticker book. What colors of flowers would go with this spread? Oh, there were so many butterflies, I completely forgot. I think I'm going to take up these little blue flowers. They are really pretty. Actually, they don't look that great. I changed my mind. Let me go back to my Botanist sticker book. I don't want this space to be too busy, but I'm liking the look of busy. I need some pretty looking flowers. This is too big. And when I told you these Antiquarian sticker book is very forgiving, I could easily remove and put another one there. See how easy it was. So I think this is it. This is going to be my vision board for my work planner. Just to give you a quick overview, what I'm attracting essentially pretty things. Obviously, I've put in a lot of butterflies, which means I'm looking for major transformation this year to my work life. And then I have a lot of affirmations. Be fearless in pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. I value myself, make improvements, not excuses, seek respect, not attention. And abundance of money is on its way. Don't settle for less just because it is available. Then there is be yourself, a nice little desk that I have here. This denotes power to me, this denotes swag to me. So all of these things essentially make my vision board, and I'm absolutely happy with how this turned out. I also love how there is a hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. This is a reminder for me to drink water while I'm working. So absolutely love how this has turned out. Thank you for planning along with me. I hope you've got some kind of idea how your vision boards should be. Bye now.